Hi guys, welcome in. So someone requested for this song that I sang on my live video yesterday, doing my live video yesterday. If you're on my live video yesterday, there was this song that I sang during my live video, and to be honest, this is my hard generated song. That is, I put it together whenever I'm in mood of singing. That is, I'm in mood to praise God or worship God. I put this song together. What? I put this song together and form it, make it have a meaning. Okay, so the person said that because she's a woman, the person is a woman. She said that she loved this song, and that's, I don't even know, but the person just requested me to, if I can drop this song as a video, so that whenever she wants to watch it, she will come back here and watch it again, or she can even learn the lyrics, or just simply learn the song well, as is masters the song. So to be honest, this is my song. This is my hard-earned song. I put it together, I generated it, but I don't mind sharing it with you. Okay, so let's go to the main points here. So this is how the song goes. You can buy your ticket to Paris. You can buy your ticket to Vogue. You can buy your ticket to London, but you can't buy your ticket to heaven. But you can buy your ticket to heaven. Jesus is the ticket to heaven. Heaven are gonna be so nice. Jesus is the ticket to heaven. He has already paid the price. He has already paid the price. I've got my mind made up that I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. I've got my mind made up that I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. Goodbye world, goodbye world. I'm staying no longer with you. Goodbye bread of sin. I'm staying no longer with you. I've made up my mind to do God's will for the rest of my life. I've made up my mind to follow God's will for the rest of my life. Born again. Thank God I'm born again. Born again. Thank God I'm born again. Born of the water, spirit and light. Thank God I'm born again. Born of the water, spirit and light. Thank God I'm born again. Thank you.